Here's our bike ride, still shot of our bike path along the water. You can see the tall towers in the background. And we are approaching our halfway mark of our ride. This is around 8:30 in the morning. And this is where we actually get on the bike path that is right along the water. So we usually ride down the spot here, stop, have a snack of some water or some dried fruit, get a little energy. So we just put the bikes down here and relax for a few moments. And I'll walk down to the end of the bike path to the water and kind of see Shanghai from a different perspective. We are east of Shanghai, so there is the city, and that's the direction we're going to be biking. And then looking back the other way, this is one of the many bridges that go over the water. And then since we're almost to the Pacific Ocean, there's a port. Part of the port. Port's all over the city. Looks like a power plant there. I don't know if that is or not. But that's the waterfront and a picture of our ride on Saturday.